স্বাগতম।
For centuries, the Sundarbans hid a secret beneath the roots. A map written not in ink, but in starlight.
It's getting brighter.
Oh, no.
Look at that.
The energy readings. They're off the scale. It's not just light. It's data.
That sound again. Where is it coming from? The butterflies are back!
Those aren't butterflies. They're machines.
To the Guardians, it wasn't a greeting. It was a threat assessment, and the results were negative. They moved as one mind. A living wall of red light, cutting off the only way home. Omar's instinct screamed danger, but the forest was faster. The forest didn't just attack, it locked them in, a cage of pure energy forged by ancient light. Omar's strength met an immovable force. The exit was gone.
Get behind me! It's a wall! I can't push through.
They are not butterflies. They are the sentinels. The first guardians.
The defense system woke from its slumber and identified the children as enemies.
The astrolabe is active. The path is sealed. The test begins.
Stay together.
Separated and alone, Rohan tried to connect.
It's complex. Are you talking?
Rohan's signal was blocked. The ancient firewall didn't just deny access, it identified him as a threat. The ancient code shifted in an instant. Where Rohan meant friend, the system read enemy pawn and unleashed its defense.
This whole place is coming down. We have to break through that wall.
Patience, Omar. The tiger strikes only when sure. Blind force will bring this roof down upon us.
Look! Above!
It's too heavy. I can't hold it forever. The whole roof is coming down.
With one final surge of strength, Omar defied the weight of the mountain. He locked the stone in place, and the danger passed.
Rohan Chacha! It's not just rocks. There's something in the wall. It's alive!
The danger wasn't just the falling stone. Something ancient was waking up in the walls. Only Lena could see the truth. The tremors weren't random, they were a code.
It's the story. The people looking at the falls. But it's wrong. It's all mixed up. The stars guide the water feeds the life, and the final piece is the astrolabe itself.
Rohan's mistake was killing Omar. She had to warn him. She saw the connection, and she knew how to stop it.
Rohan! It's a vibration, not a sound! They're connected to the rocks. Match the astrolabe's frequency.
A vibration. Okay. Calming frequency. Sending now. Of course. The vibration. The rocks. That's not my gadget. What is that sound?
The eclipse is hungry.
Eclipse. All.
From the veins of the earth, the old gods return. The darkness was taking shape. It was not a beast of flesh and blood. Where the shadow touched the light simply died.
You are nothing.
Rohan's frequency locked in. The calming signal became a cleansing fire, tearing the shadow apart.
We return to the dark.
Gone.
His strength could hold the mountain, but it couldn't fight the shadow. For the first time, Omar was truly afraid.
The others faced challenges of skill. You faced the challenge of intent.
Two paths lie before you. One saves your kin. The other grants you the inch of the stars.
In one hand, the safety of those she loved. In the other, the secrets of the universe. The Guardian was not testing her strength. He was testing her heart.
Wait, it's not a command code. It's a handshake protocol. They aren't attacking. They're just asking who I am.
The sand in the hourglass runs dry. The visions will fade. Make your choice, leader.
Knowledge means nothing if I have to lose my family to get it. I don't need the stars. I choose them. Always.
Then the test is ended. You have chosen wisely.
I thought that wall would separate us forever.
My arms feel like jelly. Look at them now.
They aren't attacking. The frequency changed from aggression to a low harmonic hum.
The signal took hold. The red gaze of war softened into the yellow light of peace.
You have proven yourselves worthy. Where others brought greed, you brought curiosity. And you, little keeper, you rejected the allure of infinite knowledge to save your kin.
We passed, but past what? This place, these machines, it's not just a temple, is it? What are you hiding down here?
The legends. They spoke of the Temple of the Sky, but we thought it was a fairy tale. But this is an observatory.
It is not a temple, and that device, it is not a treasure. It is a key, a tool.
Coming? You mean like a storm? Or a flood? The star map. It looked like something was counting down.
Not a storm of wind and rain. A tide of shadows approaches.
Prepare? But we're just kids.
By becoming what you were meant to be.
The Keepers of Sundarban.
Signal detected.
Like,